we got back to the shop and we're about to get going, and we're not going. The power's out.
Power's out.
UPS guy's stuck in his driveway.
We can go pull him out.
Oh my.
It's a new year in the shop, right?
Yes.
Yep. So we're gonna finish this wrecker. We've got like a week and a half of slaving on this thing, and it can go to Chad's. So Chad's been working on Matt's. I gotta get this thing done. I can't let Matt beat me. We're gonna work on it today. We're gonna get the shocks in it. They've shown up. We're gonna try to finish the back end, get the controls on it, make everything work. So here we go. We're trying to build the bottom shock mounts. I got some from Barnes, but they're actually for the Toyota build. We're gonna copy some of these and make them a little bit different because the tow truck is a little bit different than everything else. So I need them to fit on the rear end. So it's gonna have a, I don't know, I'll show you. Let's see, it's gonna set something like that. So I think that will do.
So wouldn't that have to be a little bit bigger?
That should fit right around the tube.
It should.
That's what it says in the fine print. Are you doubting my pattern building?
A little.
Well, I heard that. I'll show you. See if she fits. Oh, Landon was right one time in his life. She'll fit now. Yep, we're good to go. Now we just got to go over to the plasma table and draw these out and cut them.
We gotta put some cables in. We gotta make a hole in there somewhere yonder. We gotta extend the cables back through the back of the cab and out to our controllers. So let's cut a hole. Right or wrong, we'll make a new one. I made a hole. We're gonna have to feed it through the other direction. Plenty.
Oh, yeah.
And then we'll run that one over.
Do we have to make 4 holes for all of
Yeah, I'll
the
do
cables?
2 there and then 2 more over there. Okay.
Now you gotta put 2 on this side.
You made another one, yeah?
There we go.
All of them are fed in. We don't have any of the pieces on this one, do we? I think we do.
For
All over there. So let's get all the pieces and we'll bolt them back up.
there.
Let's see what we got.
All right, we got these brackets cut out. They're a little hot. We'll grind them up. We'll see if they work. All right, these are the pieces we just built. We're gonna set shock down in there and see how much trouble we're in. It's gonna fit, but it's gonna be really tight. Like everything else. Up here, across there, and back into there. I'll go find a piece of tube and we'll start making some bends and see what happens. All right, we got us a 4-foot piece. We'll start doing some bending. Need this one to go just a hair more. Go about 40 degrees on that. And let's go check it. We're winning, man. It's gonna work. We'll go kink this one back to the frame like this, and we're close. That's a shock tower. I gotta cut them off on an angle now so that they'll weld into the frame, and then we'll do some bracing. But all in all, that's pretty good, right?
Yeah.
Let's see what she looks like. Right like so. It's gonna work. Things are looking up.
Stuff's going in yonder. And then we got this cable. Where to put it? Because we need this and our air down solenoids, the airbags, all in there somewhere. And still be able to put a drink. Alright, we'll get back to you on that.
Alright, we got this bad boy built. We mirrored them so they go to either side. Hopefully, we done it right. Okay, that one fits that side. Let's go see if the other one actually fits. Well, look at that. Would you look at that? Cool. Now we'll just trim it up, start building some shock tower mounts, and weld this thing in. All right, I might have a line on there. Which one is that?
We're gonna have to pull on them and see
All right.
once we get to that point.
Okay.
We'll have to match it up from this side.
That's what I was thinking. We'll have to make sure that
We don't want to have to switch our
different
direction.
controls or something.
Yeah. Yeah, that's enough. That'll give us our length that we want. So.
Got the right angles, we just gotta go considerably more. I think that's the spot right there, man. I'm gonna get a welder, tack that thing into place. I'm not fully welding it because there's a lot that could change, but I think I'm pretty happy with it. Goes up slightly, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Barely.
Yeah, I think it's gonna be just fine. I like that hoop. It's gonna work. Let's see what a real live shock looks like in there. Will that work?
I don't see why not.
Can't lean the dang shock because it'll hit everything. Is it gonna hit when we twist this thing up though is the question. We got some figuring to do here. That's the clearance we've got.
Right there.
Yeah, got it. Watch your beard and all your stuff. Okay. That's
Yeah, there is not a lot of room in there.
no. All right, we got this tacked in place. We're gonna do some testing. Go lift the hoist, Land. Oh. Already hit.
Oh, we're hitting this puck, huh?
Yeah. So basically, we're back to the drawing boards.
Yeah, yeah.
We're figuring. We're close. We're just not there yet. Take two. We've got a whole bunch more stuff figured out. I don't know if it's gonna work. We're about to try it. Longer mounts, different mounts. Well, it moved it. Well, where do I put it?
Where it won't hit.
That's a good idea.
Mr. Obvious, huh?
Captain Obvious.
Yes, it's Captain Obvious.
Obviously.
My friend, that is a good observation. All right, that's tacked. All right, now basically we just got to build that piece and see, and then flex it and see if it clears everywhere. And if it does,
Is this?
Landon will do a little dance and then,
Why am I doing the dance?
well, I ain't doing it.
I ain't doing it.
Hunter's doing
I'm
it.
You're
holding the
doing
camera.
it. He's on the camera, you're dancing.
All right, I'll get some cardboard. I think attempt number 2 is here. I can't see any other thing that we can do other than try this and fail. Let's lift this side up here. This should work. Oop. Oop. Okay. 12-inch shocks were way overkill. I wish they'd had the 10s. Life would have... Ooh, it's barely bumping that right there. Oh, it's not. No, we're good. We're free floating. Let her down. We'll do the other side. It's close.
It's, you're not gonna put chains on it.
Nope, we're not running chains on that, the back end of that. Yeah, I like it. She's gonna will. All right, let her down, Land. I think that's what it's gonna have to look like. I probably want to break those loose, pinch it tight, then weld it. That's close. That's close. But the back end of my tow truck, I don't want a whole lot of flex to it because it'll tip me upside down. So, top's done. I'll weld the bottom in, and I think this side's built. We can match the other side, and shocks are on it. All right, shock built. Now I gotta come off of the airbag mount with one right here, and then I think we're good. I'm gonna go ahead and weld this to the frame. All right, so we got to run up to old boy's house in town. He said his 4-wheel drive isn't working, so we're gonna run up, do a little power probing. It's probably the actuator. It's a 90 Chevy, but we're gonna go check it out, and then we'll order him some parts. So. Probably gonna need the 4-wheel drive button.
Look at you guys go.
All right. Hubs engaged.
We're ripping. I'll bet I can outwheel your truck in the square body.
And this?
Oh yeah.
No.
Oh yeah.
No.
These things
No.
are animals.
Not even close.
I hear a competition
I
coming.
do it. Not even close.
I hear one coming.
With the 37s on it, not even close.
Yes, you don't stay off. Four wheel very good.
No, it doesn't.
There she is. Let's see if we can figure it out. Got a bad one anywhere?
No, they're all good. Oh,
What? It's gone?
that is missing, but there's no. Just says T case. Just fire it up and we'll find it. Putting the snow gear on. No front end. Got power, got ground. It's just an actuator. We'll make sure the drive line's spinning.
Okay, we'll order him an actuator.
Is it spinning or will it come out?
We'll back up. I'm sure
I see
it'll.
the drive line's turning, but it should be.
Front one?
Yeah.
We can look real quick and see.
Yeah, see if it'll move. I'll look under for a drive line. Yep, just needs an actuator. Simple enough. Just needs an actuator.
I'll go tell him.
Okay, well, thank you.
Need me to help you down your house?
Huh?
Need me to help you down your house?
I ride this thing up and down the hill.
Oh, that's good thinking.
Well, I'm
Good
afraid
thinking.
I'm gonna fall going down there.
That's
Yeah,
what
I would drive.
I don't need to break anything else.
Yep, for sure. Well, I'll let you know.
Okay.
I'll get one coming for it.
Thank you, guys.
You're welcome.
Taking the turn.
It's gonna stop us. No cars. We're good.
Oh yeah.
Made it. They look pretty close to the same, don't they? Oh yeah. Guess we can tack those and cycle it a little. Going up. All right, well,
I like it.
let's let it down, try the other side. I like it. Picasso. It's done. All right, so one of our buddies just called, said he was pushing snow and got stuck. So we're gonna take the old red Chevy up. I don't wanna take the FJ because it's muddy outside and the red Chevy works, so we're taking it.
Oh my gosh, we're gonna get stuck.
We are not getting stuck, Hunter.
It's all right. I'll just come pull you out.
Yeah, we'll take the old trusty Yankum up and it'll do its job. We'll have Jeremy out in no time. So we're driving back to where we were just barely a minute ago when we went and looked at this truck for the old boy. We're just driving another mile up the road farther. It's where my buddy Jeremy is stuck. So we'll go get him out, back to the shop, finish welding my shotgun.
Pushing her down the road, huh? Think yours would keep
Oh
it down?
my gosh.
Wouldn't even worry, huh?
No. Wouldn't even need to turn traction control off. Not even getting four-wheel drive.
Nothing.
Nothing.
I feel like he's gonna be right here somewhere. I'm gonna slow down.
Where the heck is he?
He's over there.
How did he get over there?
Let's turn the hood in.
Let me get. Oh my
gosh. You're heading out that way.
I was going to, but he slammed on the door on me too.
I'll push through it, and then I couldn't go back, and then I go a little bit further.
It's slick underneath, man. I think
So
we
I
can just
finally
set
broke-
right there and winch out.
Oh, really?
Tires were locked.
Yeah.
There you go.
Well, thanks, sir. Yeah.
You're good. You got about 4 feet. Okay, 2 feet. All right, right there.
Okay, unhook it. You hooked on?
Yeah.
Hey, you need to just turn the wheel hard. Pull on that, Hunter. I'm gonna have to back it out.
Okay.
Yeah, now just let me pull you. There's barely any power. Find any traction.
Hey, hold on. You're almost at your end. You got about 1.5 feet.
I'm done hooking. Hooked on, Hunter?
Yeah.
That was amazing, huh?
Yeah.
Didn't even lose a mirror. There it is.
Oh.
You probably made it look prettier if you took the mirror out.
Well, it might, huh? So Austin Soderquist just called and said the UPS guy's stuck in his driveway.
We can go pull him out.
Oh my God.
Hunter doubts the old red Chevy, so we gotta show him what it'll do.
I'll message him and tell him you're on the way.
If it's stayed 4 low, it'd work even better.
Yeah, keep
You gotta like
popping
hold
out.
it in.
Yeah.
Paul and Ben and Hunter.
You don't gotta say my name. I don't like
Hunter's
him.
important.
Don't go back down there.
Hey, I appreciate that, man. Appreciated that. Thank you, guys.
Yep, see ya. All right. We'll try to keep her in 4 low.
Oh yeah, we're ready to go.
We're on to the next one. And here we go.
Let's assess this situation.
Looks like just pull the front back in.
That's what I'm thinking. No sweat.
Probably just back up with the rope and
That's what I'm
pull
thinking.
it back on.
Yeah, hop out. I'll turn around. Whoa.
You guys were close, huh?
Yeah, Jeremy was stuck down there. We're down helping him.
Appreciate it. On to the next one.
Just turn all the way this way.
Right into me when we come out.
Alrighty. I should be alright once I get out of
Yeah, once you get out of here,
I'll be good.
Turn all the way.
Alright.
There we go.
Perfect.
Next. There's the Yankum ropes for you.
Thank you guys.
No
Yep.
problem. You bet. See ya.
That took 2 minutes and 45 seconds.
So that was kind of a 2-for-1 right there, and that's just 5 miles from home. So we'll go back and finish welding on our shocks now and be done with this day.
The old girl's doing a good job.
I'd say getting this running was worth our time. Okay, so apparently we got back to the shop and we're about to get going, and we're not going. The power's out.
Power's out. It didn't even flicker.
No, it didn't even flicker. It just is out. So apparently we're done for the day. We'll give it a few minutes, but we're out. I think it's done.
It's out for a minute.
So
Heavy snow.
we didn't want to finish this anyway today.
No. Here we go.
All right, until next time.